film, the great Jackie Chan is also in town. So you were there. Before I start talking about this particular event, I would like to talk about my team. My HODs who are here, my DOP Chiruda, my writer Ritesh Shah, Suresh Nair, who doesn't seem to be here, my choreographer Firoz Khan, my editor Amitabh Shukla, I every time forget his name to mention. Today I have made a point to remember his. My music director, young guy, Manan Shah, my executive producer, co-producer Ashin Shah, my executive producer Adi, and if I'm missing anybody, my action director is Franz, who is not here. He's from South Africa and he's not here today. Chiruda, to I said, first name. Thank you very much for my team to support me to make this film the way we've made it. Commando is a long journey. It was when we started in Force, we introduced Vidyut as the main negative part in that film, and then whatever extraordinary talent that I felt in Vidyut, we decided to make Commando. It was a very tough journey, and in that tough journey I found my most reliable studio with whom I have done most of my films: Waqt, Namaste London, Singh is King, Holiday, and Commando 1, this is Commando 2. My relationship with Reliance and Phantom now started long back, but they were the one who supported my vision. So before I move on, I would like to invite my very, very dear friend and partner Shivashish Sarkar to come join us. We'll shortly have some word with you. And Madhu Mantena, one of the producers of the film. He likes to call himself co-producer, but I always call him a producer. He's a very, very prolific producer. We all know him very well, and a very dear friend. In this journey, we also found a very, very important partner with Reliance in pen industry, and Jayantibai Gada, who really supported our vision in this one and stood with us, our partner on this film. So now I will hand over the baton to Shivashish to say a few things about this journey, and then we'll move forward from there.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think the way Bipul mentioned that we have been a very precious relationship to him. For us, as a studio or as a company, I think we respect people's thought, people's wavelength, people's nature, and that is the most important thing which we feel that at least in the creative world when you work, the two individuals at least has to gel. And we are also extremely proud to be associated with Bipul now almost last 10 years probably. And what are those films? I mean, the best of those, our 6 or 7 films what Bipul mentioned are some of the best films in our catalog, in our library, in our assets also. Commando journey, as Bipul mentioned, started long back. 2013, I remember those days. I mean, we used to spend times, and as Bipul correctly mentioned, that we always thought that the creative vision should be with the creative guys, and we spend our times in the production, budget, marketing, distribution, all those stuff. And to be fair and honest, for the first time in the Indian film industry, we have seen that quality of hand-to-hand action never seen before, and that is Vidyut Jammwal. That is 2013. It shocked the world. It shocked our... I remember I can say some data that we released a film, and then we cut a different cut and sent it to Germany. And it went to Germany and did a great business there. None of us thought that people will love a film from India with a limited budget and resource. That kind of marketing. But it went to those kind of foreign countries also and did a great business. Commando 2, all due credit to Bipul. We have been discussing for quite some time. But he was always pushing, and we have been in that journey for a long time. And we now got our able partner, Jayanti Bhai also. We have great hope for this film. just to mention that this time we are also will be releasing the film in Tamil and Telugu on the same day. So while Commando there will be a Hindi mainstream release across the country, the dubbed version of the film will come on the same day in Tamil and Telugu. And we all hope that with your blessings and with all your good wishes, it will be at the starting of the year. This will be one of the films which people will keep in their mind. Thank you.
I known Vipul for a very, very long time and have always treated him as a mentor. So being on this thing with him, I remember when I used to work with Mr. Shetty, the old Reliance, Vipul was always a mentor telling us what to do and what not to do. Because he's a very personal friend who I keep trying to work with, and he keeps rejecting me. But having said that, I'm glad I'm here with him on Commando 2. Jayanti Bhai has been an old mentor, and I always say that. So I'm really happy that I'm part of this journey, and I think you guys will watch a great film, a great action genre. Vipul has specialized in the genre over the last 4 or 5 years, and he's doing one of the best action films that this country has seen, even his last Force 2 and before that Force and Commando 1. So this is awesome, and hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I will tell you that the film's larger and bigger. People likes holding it all back. Yeah, 1 second.
हेलो, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. मैं सबसे पहले तो सिवासिस से बोलूँगा कि सिवासिस के साथ बहुत काम किया हमने, और इनके साथ बिजनेस करना बहुत मजा आया और बहुत सारी फिल्मों में जुड़े हैं. विपुल भाई ऐसे गुजराती हमारे दोस्ती है, और क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह काम करेंगे, और मधु के साथ भी बहुत काम किया है. हाँ, नहीं, इस फिल्म में सबसे ज्यादा गुजराती है, जो विद्युत को भी गुजराती बनाएंगे. विद्युत मेरे बेटे का दोस्त है धवल का, और धवल ने बोला विद्युत की कोई पिक्चर छोड़नी नहीं है, हर पिक्चर में जुड़ना ही है. तो सबसे पहले मुझे लगता है मैंने शिवाशीष को बोला कमांडो 2 जल्दी बनाते हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
So I now, after starting with my partners, I would like to call the man with the vision of Commando, the director of the film, my brother, my college friend. We've been together for almost 25 years now, maybe a little more than that. Lot of people think of him as a guy who is great with comedy, humor. He's done some of the most wonderful shows, Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, Ek Mahal Ho Sapnon Ka, Babahu or Baby. And people generally don't associate him with action. But because I know him since my college days and I know what he's capable of, so a very unusual choice for the director. Many were surprised, but I can tell you he was the best choice for the film. The director of the film, a very well-known actor, my very, very dear friend and brother, Deven Bhojani.
Hello everyone, thank you media for your presence. This is my first feature film as a director and really very excited. I thank everybody, thank Reliance, Phantom, and Jayanti Bhai, and especially, of course, Vipul. We are like, as he said, we are college friends, and he knows my training in filmmaking, and he knows my capabilities, and I really thank him that he trusted me, that I am not only a TV comedian actor, but I'm capable of a little more than that. And I'm really excited, and I hope you all like the trailer. And I take this opportunity to thank my whole team, all the HODs and my assistants, and Ritesh especially, Chiruda, DOP, Ritesh, writer. So thank you everyone, and I hope you like the film. Thank you. काफी कुछ किया था, यहाँ शुरू करूंगा तो रात हो जाएगी.
सिर्फ यहीं पर. See, this is what I wanted. जी, sir.
So now I would like to introduce, though you have seen her earlier in a couple of films here, she started her journey with 1920, then she did Hasi To Fasi, and then she went and did a film, many films down south, but one of the most important film of the last year, Kshanam. She was the leading lady of Kshanam in Telugu, which is now, I think, being remade in Hindi with some of the most prominent names of the industry. She won lots of awards there for that work, and this is going to be her third film, if I'm not wrong, in Hindi. Ada Sharma, please come on the stage.
Whoa.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, Vidyut. Well, thank you, Vipul sir and Devin sir, for trusting me with this. When I auditioned for this role, I was very excited because it's quite a crazy role and it's very mad and sort of like how I am in real life. And I'm glad that Devin sir thought that I could pull this off and I could look like Bhavna Reddy and speak in the Hyderabadi accent. And Chiruda, thank you for making me look so nice. Yeah, I just saw the trailer. Thank you so much. I can't see you. Thank you. And thank you all of you. And this film has been really lots of fun. I mean, the main action Vidyut's doing, but now I think with all the training that France has given us, in real life, if anyone chedofies me now, I am all ready to beat them up, I think. And I have 2 packs right now, which by release, if I don't eat too much sev puri, will become 4, maybe.
The other guy, now moving on, is a guy whom you saw in Holiday being the baddie. Again, a journey that I wish to continue for a long time to come. He's a fantastic actor, very good looking guy. Many people said, why have you launched him as a villain in Holiday? He deserves to be a hero. But well, he got a lot of appreciation for Holiday. And in this particular film, he's playing a very, very mysterious part. Very unique, very different than Holiday. Freddy Daruwala.
Thank you everyone for coming over, and special thanks to my mentor, my Annadata, Vipul sir. Special thanks to Madhu sir, Shivasi sir, and Jayantilal sir for coming on board and making this vision come true. And special thanks to this very cute human who I don't shy to kiss anywhere in the media, just like I did right now. But besides everything, as I said, you know, the journey has been fantastic. This film is very special to us because of the vision that Vipul sir had and the seeds that Devin sir has sown. Beyond that, it's a very beautiful film for me also because I shared the screen space with 2 of my very dear friends right now. I can say, Vidyut, I've known you for years, and you're pretty much a little less crazier than I, but I enjoyed working with him as well. And this beautiful, hot girl, hello. So thank you all of you for coming over and giving us opportunity to show you what we are capable of. And I'm sure you guys have loved the trailer, and I'm sure you will love the film as well. Thank you.
Super.
So the next guy, taking the tradition forward of introducing dynamic negative characters in my films. 3 of them happen to be here. Of course, now Vidyut is the leading guy. He's a young actor, brilliant one. We saw him in the audition and we thought that this was the guy who had to be the baddie in the film. Fantastic actor, Rocky. Rocky, please come.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Vipul sir. It was a dream to work with biggies like Vipul ji. I've seen his work over the years, right from Namaste London. I'm a big fan of his films, and thank you for giving me the opportunity. And this guy here, ये कहूँगा कि मैं छोटे बचपन से देख रहा हूँ तो बुरा ना माने. He still looks very young, but जो जीता वही सिकंदर, I'll never forget, and him as an actor also. But as a director, he was superb. One of the coolest guy I've ever worked with. Gives you the freedom, get the best out of you. So thank you Devan sir. And I had this lovely team, Freddy, Ada,
Vidyut, and Isha. Really had a great time working with them. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Now, every creative person who works in the field of films have grown on Hollywood films, international films, and we in India always dreamt of having an action hero who is at par with anybody internationally. When I first time saw his showreel, I jumped out of my seat and I said, what is this guy doing? How come nobody knows about him so far? And we immediately decided that he is the guy. And that day itself, I said, like, right now we are casting him as the villain of Force, but he's going to be a hero. And he's going to become a very big action hero of this country. Whatever happened post that, whatever material, that showreel was hardly 10% of what he's capable of. Whatever I saw in Commando 1, I thought, now where is he going to take it? We've done pretty much everything. And he kept rehearsing and rehearsing and rehearsing and inventing new gags. And he used to send me clips that, look, for Commando 2, I've made one more, I've made one more, I've made one more. Eventually a point came where we decided not to use a single gag of Commando 1. He created so many gags with a wonderful guy called Sunil. And they both then worked with France to create the entire action. He took action to another level. And I have done few action films. And I've worked with the best action actors of India. So when I say I know what he's doing is exceptional, I know what I'm saying. On the other hand, he started dancing like a dream, which was great, because that's something that I wanted to see him do. He did a fantastic dance in Commando, but here, in this film's music, some of the things that he's done as a dancer are fantastic. He's a terrific actor, which is generally not associated with action stars. And I think that his journey has just begun. He's going to scale really big heights, and he's going to bring a lot of pride to India. My very, very dear friend, Vidyut.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming here. Everybody over here who is present right now, I have to thank them because everybody is very important. Ritesh, thank you for Force, the way you wrote it. But the most important person for me is Vipul Shah, because he's the man who saw what I had a little bit of. And he will keep giving me chances, I know it, and I will be there for him whenever he needs me. And everybody over here, thank you very much. And I'll personally call you up later after this, and thank you. And thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy Commando 2 as much as you did Commando 1.
Wow, yeah. That was superb. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. Yeah, I know you have a lot of questions. So, yeah. We'll have a quick photo op, and then we'll move to the question answer round. I'll take the mic with you. Good. Thank you so much. Yeah. And now over to the question answer round. And yeah, we'll go to that beautiful girl over there. Please, koi mic pakda dega upar. Jayenge.
The question is, since the financial troubles that are plaguing the country, is it just a coincidence that this is the subject of your film, or did you think about it previously?
Okay, so I'll answer your question number one. That I have been feeling that I am a versatile actor, but then I was tamed as a comedian more. And similarly, my image is as a director in television is of more of a comic director of a comedy serial or something like that. But that's why I thank Vipul from the bottom of my heart that he knows me from ages, and he knows my inner talent, and he knows perhaps a little more than what I know of myself. Like he knows the training that I've gone through, the filmmaking training or whatever abroad, and my inner talent he must be very sure of, that he approached me for this film. And I feel that I'm not restricted to any particular genre. If I like the subject, the whole project, and if I feel inspired and I feel like, giving my best to it, then I have to say yes to it. And this was, of course, a big opportunity, such a big brand, and it was a big risk for Vipul and everybody involved, like in producing the film. And I really thank them for giving this responsibility of helming the film. So that answers your question number one. And question number two, answer number two is, I feel yes, it has become topical because of this demonetization. But the script, we have been working on the script for quite a while now. Ritesh and Vipul and I and Suresh. We have worked a lot for a couple of years, I would say, that the germ came up, and then we started working on it. And then finally, it is a happy coincidence, perhaps I would say, that and more I feel black money is the topic that I feel we must address to, which our honorary Prime Minister has been doing his best of efforts to eradicate black money. And this is just one of the steps, like in an entertaining way. So that's what, yeah.
Hi, Vidyut, over here. Towards your left, over here. There are so many action films being made in India right now, which are like each action film is raising the bar for action. So when you are making a film like Commando, and if I'm not wrong, you have designed the action yourself, your team has designed the action yourself. So how difficult does it get for you to come up with something which is never seen before over here?
Yeah, it's not difficult at all, because I don't think like an ordinary action guy. And what you see in Indian cinema or internationally, in my opinion, is mediocre. I'm sorry to say it, but it is. So when we did Commando 1, there was the first time in India we did not use cables, there was no stunt doubles, and there was phenomenal action. And Commando 2 में जब हम लोग ने विपुल सर से बात की थी, and we wanted to know what we should do, we were just thinking of doing something which is beyond my imagination. So we just worked on it. We didn't think about what others are doing, what these guys are planning to do, or what we've seen. We were just competing with ourselves in Commando 1, and I have a feeling we've done a much better job than Commando 1.
And was...
यार वो पानी में घुसोगे तो गीले तो हो ही जाओगे, थोड़ी बहुत इंजरीज होती रहती हैं, बट इतनी ट्रेनिंग की हुई है कि अब आदत हो गई है.
Okay. Vipul sir, hi, this is Saif from over here, to your left. Saif from Bollywood Hungama. Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay, considering the fact that so the first part was pretty well at the box office, it did great business. Talking about the second part, was there any kind of pressure for the team from your side, because automatically the expectations increases for the audience also? So what are your views on this thing?
There is a lot of pressure. Even when you're making the fresh film, there is a pressure, and when you're making sequel, it becomes even more, because now you have to meet certain kind of expectations that audience have from the film, and it's not easy. We see time and again that a lot of sequels don't do as well as they are expected to do. But when we got the script, when we knew what we were doing, when we knew what kind of action we were going to build into the film, only then, and that's why we've taken a couple of years to go into a sequel. And as Shivashish said, that there was a lot of discussion that went into it, because we wanted to scale it up. We wanted to really go big, give it a real scale that an action film requires. Action films are very, very difficult to shoot. We wanted the best crew. We got the crew from South Africa, and a lot of action boys were from America. So that was the whole process. Writing itself, as Deven said, that Ritesh, Suresh, me, Deven, we were working on this script for almost close to 2 years. The thought of the film started in 2014 election period, when black money became the big talking point. 15 lakh in everybody's account was one of the campaign thoughts. And we realized that this is going to become a very big issue in the coming years in the country, which has happened now. So we started thinking of Commando 2 from then with a topic of black money, and we are glad that we are ready now. We've seen the trailer. Hopefully the film is as good as the trailer. So let's see. But yes, when you're making part 2, there is an extra bit of pressure because you have to now meet with certain expectations as well.
So I have a question for Vidyut as well as this is Pratibha from Book My Show. So Vidyut, from Force to Commando 2, how is this role different? Or you just did this role for your producer friend?
Yeah, before anything else, I am a different person from Force to Commando 1 to Commando 2. So whatever the role would be, I would be a different human being. I would do it differently, I would portray it differently, I would exhibit it differently. So number one, बहुत अलग है यार. Force में I was supposed to be this very mean machine, which I did portray. In Commando 1, we were trying to raise the bar in action. But in Commando 2, there's a phenomenal story, there's intrigue in it, and for me, I have to prepare very differently from 1 and 2, from Force and Commando 1.
So basically you're saying that we have a lot different things for the audience to see in this movie.
कुछ भी वैसा नहीं है, phenomenal action के अलावा जो आपने पहले देखा.
Devin, all that I could gather. My second question is for Ada. Your footage in the trailer is very, for a very short period of time, but still you make a mark. I would like to know what is your inspiration behind this character, the dialogue delivery and everything. It was really great.
Thank you. I have to thank Devin sir because we did like a lot of workshops to get the accent right. But I've been doing movies in Hyderabad, so I've been there for a year. So on set, when I used to get bored, I like mimicking people. And I do this all the time on sets everywhere. But so I used to mimic the accent, the Andhra accent. And I think I learned a few of the little local terms that they use here and there. So when I got to play this, I did it entirely from my heart and through his heart and mine.
Okay.
So
all the best.
Thank you.
Devin, all that we could gather from the trailer, I can see Shefali in a very different avatar. Whose idea was it? Was it Vipul's idea?
Actually, while developing the character, I felt only one person can do that character, and that was Shefali. So I asked Vipul कि Shefali को पूछते हैं.
It'll be different.
Sorry?
It'll be different.
It's a terrific role. It's a cameo, but it's a very important role. And I felt Shefali उसको सही तरीके से justice कर पाएगी. So I asked Vipul whether Shefali will say yes. He said, you ask her, because if you feel, I don't know, हाँ बोलेगी ना बोलेगी. बोला अरे तेरी बीवी है, अपना खुद का प्रोडक्शन है, तो ना कैसे बोलेगी? बोला नहीं वो शेफाली है. You never know. बोला पूछ लो. So मुझे लगा कि like अगर शेफाली हाँ बोल दे इस रोल के लिए तो मजा आ जाए. And then we narrated her the script and her character, and she loved it, and she said yes.
So Vipul, it was very easy to rope her in, or it took you a few nights?
Honestly, with Shefali, it's very simple. You give her the script, she likes the role, she likes the script. That's the end of the story, nothing beyond that. I can't sell her anything else but the script. There is no way I can convince her, and it's a rule that we followed for all the years, that I don't go to her with just because she's my wife, and she doesn't do my film just because I am her husband. It's purely professional. I respect her as an actor. She's the best actress in the country, and I don't want to take her for granted ever. I would want to go with her with material that I feel is great, and she should do it. She may still turn it down, but I would not want to disrespect her by going to her with anything which is mediocre. I thought this was a very, very, very good part, terrific part, something that she's not done. A bit of a negative part, I would say. I'm revealing some things here. But yeah, and that's why I told Devin that you approach her as a director professionally, forget our friendship, your friendship with her. Go to her as a director, present her the part, and hope that she does it. And we are very glad that she's done it.
Hi, my question is to all the three producers, Mr. Vipul Shah, Mr. Subhash sir, and Jayantilal sir. Nowadays we live in a time when the release size becomes very important. So what sort of release are you looking for this film?
They will answer this.
So I think it will be quite a wide release from that point of view. And though the actual numbers gets materialized only probably the last 15 days, but we expect that it is at least anything between 1,700 to 2,000 screen release. So it's quite a wide release. And plus, as I mentioned, that this will also parallelly get released in Tamil and Telugu language.
But will you be targeting majorly the single screens?
Actually, this film, when it will come up, you will find that it has this audience in both. And as it is very clear from the trailer itself, of course, in India, honestly, we make this difference of single screen and multiplex. There are only two kinds of films, either it's a good film or a bad film. So if there is a good film, it will get lapped up in any kind of audiences. And we are expecting that in India, at least, we'll go anything between 17 to 2,000, apart from the overseas market. And with whatever homework we have done last 1 month and etc., we are pretty confident that it will go at least 2-3 times more than the size of exposure what we have gone in Commando 1 in the overseas market also.
There's one more thing that, generally there is a sense in India that action films are just no-brainer, entertainer, they are looked down upon. Trust me, this is one of the toughest genre. People get hurt, they get injured. They put in a year's practice into reaching the kind of finesse that they reach. And just because they are doing action, we tend to just write them off. That's not fair. Just to say that our action film will appeal in a single screen is not correct. If we say that, then we are actually challenging the intelligence of the multiplex audience that they are never going to come for any action film. That's not true. They come for action films. It's about the story. It's about how you make the film. And as rightly told by Shibashish, it's either a good film or a bad film. So we will go to every audience across the country and globe with the same expectation that everybody in the entire family is going to like the film.
विपुल जी जिस तरह से साउथ में हुआ जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था एक एक्शन फिल्म का और उसमें 2 मारे गए थे लोग, उस लिहाज से आपकी मैक्सिमम फिल्म्स जितनी भी हैं वो सारी एक्शन फिल्म्स ही होती हैं, तो उसमें आप लोग सेफ्टी का कितना ध्यान रखते हैं?
बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है. सेट पे एक एम्बुलेंस भी होता है, डॉक्टर्स भी होते हैं, लेकिन एक्शन एक ऐसा माध्यम है जहां चोट जरूर लग सकती है. जो हादसा हुआ वो बहुत दुखद था, नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी की भी जान नहीं जानी चाहिए. और हम पूरा ध्यान रखते हैं, पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि चोट भी ना लगे. उसके बावजूद चोट लगती है. विद्युत को चोट लगी, उसके बावजूद उन्होंने हमारा जो अब्रॉड का शेड्यूल था पूरा चोट के साथ एक्शन करके कंप्लीट किया है. तो वो एक बहुत ही रेयर चीज जो मैंने देखी कि इतनी गहरी चोट के साथ, जहां डॉक्टर्स ने बोला हुआ था कि आप जमीन पे पैर भी नहीं रखेंगे, और इन्होंने हर तरीके का एक्शन किया. मैं मना कर रहा था, बट इन्होंने कहा कि नहीं विपुल मैं कर लूंगा, लेट्स कंप्लीट द शेड्यूल. तो आई थिंक एक्शन ऑलवेज इज अ डिफिकल्ट जॉनर, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे सेट पे छोटा सा भी हादसा ना हो. टचवुड अभी तक कोई ऐसा हादसा हुआ नहीं जिससे एक बुरा माहौल हो जाए, बट कभी भी हो सकता है, होना नहीं चाहिए.
विपुल जी, फिल्म में ईशा गुप्ता भी एक महत्वपूर्ण किरदार निभा रही है. फिलहाल वो मौजूद नहीं है, उसकी क्या वजह है?
वो फिलहाल शूट कर रही हैं जोधपुर में. बादशाह नाम की फिल्म है, और कोई वजह नहीं है. और हम आज दोपहर तक कोशिश कर रहे थे कि वो किसी तरह यहाँ पहुंच जाएं, क्योंकि फिल्म में एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रायंगल सिचुएशन है विद्युत, अदा और ईशा के बीच में, जो हम चाहते थे कि वो यहाँ हो, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो बादशाह की शूटिंग से निकल नहीं पाई है. सो दैट्स अ सैड थिंग, बट उनका बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है फिल्म में. एंड और कोई वजह नहीं है, कोई झगड़ा नहीं है कि वो यहाँ क्यों नहीं है.
आप बादशाह, अगली फिल्म आपकी बादशाह है, उसका क्या स्टेटस है? क्या आपका शेड्यूल खत्म हो चुका है?
नहीं, शूटिंग चल रही है. मैं सिर्फ इसके लिए आज वापस आया था, शाह नहीं पाई, मुझे वापस जाना है. एंड मैं इस बीच में प्रमोट भी करूंगा मूवी और वहां पे शूट भी करूंगा.
विद्युत,
there is a technical requirement in the script where we wanted a country with which India has extradition treaty. Malaysia has that extradition treaty with India, and that's why Malaysia became the center of one of the important location of the film.
Okay, मेरा सवाल विद्युत और फ्रेडी से है. फ्रेडी, if you can hear me, it's okay as well you can hear me. विद्युत और फ्रेडी, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है. Started with Force, then you have done Soldier. आप दोनों की अगर बात करूं, जितनी फिल्में आपने अब तक की हैं एक्शन से रिलेटेड की हैं, फ्रेडी आपने भी, क्या आप दोनों को इस बात का डर नहीं है यू गेट टाइपकास्ट? I'll start with विद्युत.
नहीं, मैं तो टाइपकास्ट होना चाहता था और मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि मुझे एक्शन हीरो जाना जाता है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
शाहरुख की तरह डीडीएलजे या इस तरह की फिल्में दी जाएं, ऑफर की जाएं, तो would you love to be a part?
अभी तक तो सोच नहीं रहा. अभी तो जो कर रहा हूं उसमें बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं और डीडीएलजे में बहुत एक्शन था. बाय द वे आपको
एंड मैं लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में मोहब्बत ही मोहब्बत चल रही है.
यहाँ पे भी बहुत मोहब्बत है कमांडो 2 में. 2 हीरोइन है यार.
ऑफ कोर्स. फ्रेडी, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
टाइपकास्ट सिर्फ ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो इंटरव्यू में होते हैं, वरना रेगुलर लाइफ में अगर हम जब मीटिंग्स के लिए जाते हैं तो ऐसा कुछ रहता नहीं. When you work as a villain, you're still acting, and when you work positive, you're still acting. When you're doing action, you're still acting. Basically, the idea is, आप कुछ भी करो, जो फिल्म बनाने वाला है, वो जानते हैं कि आप में कौन सा टैलेंट है. हम लोग ऑडिशंस भी देते हैं, तो they see you differently, doing different parts of this business that we call acting. तो ऐसा टाइप कास्टिंग जैसा कुछ रहता नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स फेयर एंड गुड.
ओके, जैसे विपुल ने भी जिक्र किया, बात करते करते उन्होंने कहा कि यू हैव ऑल द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ हीरो. इवन वी एग्री. क्या देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटी विल सी यू नो कमिंग विद अ न्यू रोमांटिक फिल्म अलोंग विद विपुल अंडर विपुल प्रोडक्शन एंड ऑल?
इंशाल्लाह वेरी सून.
ओके, कास्टिंग की अगर मैं बात करूं, विपुल लेट मी कंप्लीट डियर सर. विपुल, अगर कास्टिंग की मैं बात करूं, अगर विद्युत को छोड़ दिया, उसके अलावा पूरी कास्टिंग, इवन डायरेक्टर भी चेंज है, क्या वजह रही और क्या ध्यान में रखा गया कास्टिंग करते वक्त? स्पेशली रॉकी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, फ्रेडी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, आदा केम ऑन बोर्ड. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल कास्टिंग ऑफ द फिल्म?
स्क्रिप्ट नया होता है, एक नया विजन था. जब हमने कमांडो 1 बनाने का फैसला किया था, तो हमारा और रिलायंस का ये पहले से विजन था कि हम 3 फिल्म कम से कम बनाएंगे, और उसी हिसाब से हमने प्लानिंग की थी कि कमांडो 1 एक बेसिक जंगल के अंदर एक एक्शन को एनहांस करती हुई स्क्रिप्ट होगी. पार्ट 2 में हम उसे शहर में ले आएंगे और एक इंटेलिजेंट स्टोरी वीव करेंगे जो कि इस फिल्म की है. टॉपिकलिटी आने से वो फिल्म और भी रेलेवेंट हो गई, और उसके साथ एक ऑब्वियस से एक कास्ट, ऑब्वियसली जो स्क्रिप्ट डिमांड करता है वैसे कास्टिंग होती है. सो ये सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो उस स्क्रिप्ट की डिमांड के हिसाब से हमें जो लगा कि ये बेस्ट ऑप्शन है वो है. और जहां तक देवेन का सवाल है, जब हम स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे थे तब से मेरे दिमाग में ये ख्याल पक्का था कि ये स्क्रिप्ट जब हम एक थॉट पक्का हो जाएगा तो मैं देवेन से इसके बारे में बात करूंगा. और वो पहले दिन से मैं क्लियर था कि ये फिल्म देवेन ही करेंगे एज ए डायरेक्टर.
जयदीप, रॉकी, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, जयदीप का किरदार बहुत पसंद करा गया था कमांडो में. अगर मैं विलन की बात करूं, जो मेन मुख्य किरदार उन्होंने निभाया था, देयर बी अ कंपैरिजन. आपकी तुलना यकीनन होगी जब फिल्म रिलीज होगी, उस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Or you are a very close friend of Jaideep Ahlawat, if I'm not wrong. Did you have taken some tips from him?
जयदीप मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. हम लोगों ने साथ काम किया है. लास्ट रिलीज जो हमारी थी मेरठिया गैंगस्टर्स, उसमें बहुत अच्छा हम लोगों ने साथ काम किया है. कंपैरिजन्स होते हैं आप लोगों के लिए. जब हम आपस में होते हैं, हम लोग दोस्त होते हैं. एक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं. उन्होंने इस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने हिसाब से एक्सप्लोर किया, मैं इस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने हिसाब से एक्सप्लोर करूंगा. बाकी जो मैं ऑडियंस पे छोड़ता हूं, अगर वो कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं कंपेयर करें, अगर वो दोनों को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहते हैं दोनों को अप्रिशिएट करें.
The t-shirt is really cool. Do you need this t-shirt to show your abs?
ये बताने के लिए जैसा मैं अंदर हूँ वैसा ही बाहर भी हूँ. कोई प्रेटेंस नहीं है.
विद्युत, टाइगर को हमने बागी में एक डिफरेंट तरह का स्टंट करते हुए देखा. इनको जॉन को बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का करते देखा. अभी ये आप कह रहे हैं कि इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का एक्शन है, तो ये लेवल किस तक, कहां तक जाएगा?
मैम डिफरेंट तो है, आपको दिखा ना
जी, लेकिन वो
ये किस से निकल रहा हूँ, इतना बड़ा शरीर. जॉन के साथ बहुत अमेजिंग बात क्या है मैम कि जॉन इज अ ह्यूज मैन एंड टाइगर हैज अ फेनोमेनल फिजिक. ही इज लीन. मैं उन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन हूँ, तो दोनों चीजें करना बहुत मुश्किल है. एक ह्यूज फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होता और फ्लेक्सिबल ह्यूज नहीं हो सकता है, मगर मैं वो हूँ. एंड जी हाँ, हमने स्टैंडर्ड ऊपर ही करना है. हम लोग आज ही मैं विपुल सर से बात कर रहा था कि ही आस्क्ड मी, विद्युत, हु रियली इंस्पायर्स यू? सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट ABCD. आजकल यूट्यूब की जनरेशन है, देयर आर फिनोमिनल पीपल. आप जाके देखिए, ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत लोग हैं यूट्यूब में, वो लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं। ऐसी ऐसी चीजें मैं देखता हूं जैसे वो कांटे से पूरी फाइट कर लेते हैं, खाने वाला कांटा। So there are amazing inspirations over there, and I get inspired by those people.
To add to a question, are you all set to dethrone Akshay?
No, it's a very wrong thing to even ask that question. You should never try to dethrone anybody. I will establish a new planet, I will establish a new country, but he should rule where he is.
बहुत अच्छा बोला
सर, दोबारा बोलिएगा, सॉरी, ध्यान रह गया। अजय देवगन, अक्षय कुमार, दिस इज नॉट रैंकिंग वाइज, इनका मैं फैन था। शाहरुख खान, मैं इनका बहुत दीवाना था, इन तीनों का। मुझे इन सबका एक्शन बहुत पसंद था। और भी थे हॉलीवुड में, सिर्फ जैकी चैन। सर अब क्या है कि अब मैं यंगस्टर से मिलता हूँ, मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप इंस्पिरेशन हो, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है। तो आजकल मैं अपने आप को ही बोलता हूँ आज का समय मेरा है।
जयंती जी, आपसे एक सवाल है। आपने इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सी ऐसी फिल्मों को सपोर्ट किया है जो अच्छी थी और उन्हें सपोर्ट की जरूरत थी, और अब जब थोड़ा सा लड़खड़ाया है फिल्म, हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री लड़खड़ाई है, 2017 में आपकी क्या प्लानिंग है अच्छी फिल्मों के लिए?
नहीं, हमारी बहुत छोटी कंपनी है और हम अकेले रह गए प्रोप्राइटर, और मेरा नेचर है सबके साथ जुड़ना, तो इसीलिए अगर देखोगे तो बहुत सारी फिल्मों के साथ, क्योंकि मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं टेलीविजन के साथ बहुत जुड़ा हूँ, और जी को थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ कि ये पहली फिल्म है जो मुझे लगता है कि अनाउंसमेंट से पहले ब्रॉडकास्टिंग बिका है इसका। तो मुझे लगता है कि टेलीविजन की प्रॉपर्टी जो होती है वो ऑलवेज बड़ी होती है, थिएटर की प्रॉपर्टी 15 दिन 1 महीने की होती है। तो ऑलवेज ये जो सैटेलाइट पे पिक्चर चलने वाली है उसकी बहुत सारे नंबर्स बनने वाले, तो मुझे मालूम है कमांडो बहुत चलेंगे। विपुल जी ने बोला 3 ही बनाना चाहते, मुझे लगता है 30 बनेगी।
विपुल जी, मोदी जी ने 2014 के इलेक्शंस में कहा था कि अच्छे दिन आएंगे, तो क्या ये फिल्म देख के जब दर्शक निकलेगा तो उसको भी एहसास होगा कि अच्छे दिन आएंगे?